Alright, we're back on this cam. Let's see what we got here. So we got about 1.5 thou of movement. Not bad for an initial throw-in, so we know the shaft is pretty good. It's just the gear is a piece of crap. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and play with this a little bit. See if we can get this a little better. How's it getting worse? That's high. Seems to make it worse, not better. Now back to where I started now. Yeah. Okay, what's going on here? What number are we on? We're on number 5. Still on number 5. A little better. The shaft's not super round there. Ooh, did not like that. Alright. Great. A lot of time making it worse. Alright, let's get back over here. We'll rotate that taper 180. Alright, that's our best right there. Don't do anything else to it. It's all about the jigging. You can't beat it in submission. Oh, you're 1/2 thou or so right there. 3/4 thou. So we'll leave it there. Now let's move this in a little bit. No, we can't move that. We're going to move this. Oh. Don't do that by hand. Alright, that didn't work very well either. Okay, this needs to go further. There's 1/2 thou there. Here this end. A little bit closer down there. Okay, so we know the shaft's pretty straight and true. That's good. And the gear is going like this, it looks like. So when you're spinning, you look at the gear. Looks like the gear is going up and down to me. I can't measure the pitch diameter. You can't do that. And the pitch diameter and the pitch OD are not the same. You would think they might be, but they're not necessarily the same. So I'm going to go ahead and check. See how much wobble we got side to side. Let's try that. Yeah, interruption again already. Alright, we'll be back. Okay, we'll try this again. One of those days interrupted from start to finish. Alright, let's shove this thing all the way in. I can't get it too flat because the parts are in the way here. Come on, slide over. Stupid damn thing. So oil fitting right where I had the magnet. Yeah, figures now it's got bad. Let's see here. All right, that's close enough. Bad angling. We got one thou, that's not too awful bad. Sure looks like it's worse than that. I can see the up and down in the teeth, they're going up and down. So the gear is pressed on the shaft good, but the concentricity of the gear is bad. That's where the hole and the outside are not consistent. So let's try measuring the outside of the teeth and see what that looks like. That you can't do very much pressure on it because it'll rip the indicator right off. Okay, slide that over. Okay, got a little thumb screw over here I never use. Well, that makes it go up, not down. Okay, so we engage it. Pull it up a little at a time until it quits hitting. Or barely hits. Alright, this is going to be kind of hard to figure out. But so we'll think we're about 90. Being pretty consistent, it stayed at 90. There's a little bit above 90. Right, there's our bad spot, about one thou up. Looks pretty round on the top. It definitely doesn't look round when you turn it. Could be an illusion of how it's ground, I don't know. It sure looks like it's wobbling around. And we'll find out when we put the motor together. If you got a tight spot as you're rotating the motor, then you know it's tight. So, alright, enough fun with that. Let's go put this on. We'll be back.